think what we're going to do is top it off with a frame and put another box right on top of them. I got the smoker going here, and we got to get these girls out of the way. Don't want to smash nobody. Come on, girls, scoot. Okay, here we go. New box, brand spanking new box. And those precious Amish people, they are very good at making boxes. And they're reasonable. That brand new box without the paint was only $11. Can't beat that with a stick. All right, now we need to start some new frames. Give these guys a start. Now we're back into trouble again. Got a extra long hive. Honestly, I think they did this all in 3 weeks. I was busy, didn't get back every week. It must have been 3 weeks before I got back and got this hive. Didn't know they were in here. And what a mess I got into. This is a monster. Oh my word, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Lots of bees, lots of honey. Got some pollen in this one. Beautiful babies. I wonder why they put so many babies in their new wax. You don't like my old wax, I guess. And they made it a new wax. All right. Now, we're going to